Hey guys, just wondering what should I be doing with this car? It needs some work. I've got this for about the last 15, 18 years. It's in great shape. 1994 Toyota Supra twin turbo with a manual transmission. It's got a lot of minor problems, or major, however you want to put it. There are leaks. Body is pretty good. It's pretty clean shape all around. This is my first YouTube video, so please subscribe, and we'll take it from there. I have no idea where to get started with this guy, but many more videos to come. All right. This was just laying in my garage for all these years. Let's take a look at the engine bay. It's relatively clean. Mainly stock turbos, leaking radiator. Everything is stock except for the intake, blow off valve, little strut bar, whatever it is, and some HID lighting or something. I don't remember. I don't know, guys. What should I do with it? It's an amazing car. Tons of power. It's got Blitz Techno speeds, 18 inches, semi-Blitz kit. Yep. If you're in Southern California, if you know a good mechanic that works on these, hook me up with it. Take care, guys. Thank you.